Did you know that after 60, we lose about 1 to 2% of our muscle each year? That quiet drip of strength is why stairs feel heavier, balance gets wobbly, and walks grow shorter. Here's the good news. You can turn that trend around starting this week using everyday foods. In the next few minutes, I'll guide you through 5 simple proteins that help stop muscle loss so you can walk strong again. Imagine rising from a chair without pushing off your arms. Picture a steady 20-minute walk without feeling shaky. It's possible when each meal delivers the right kind of protein in the right amount. Think 25-30 grams of protein per meal. That's the sweet spot for muscle building in later life. There's solid evidence behind this. Older adults who eat enough high-quality protein, especially rich in a key amino acid called leucine, tend to keep better strength and faster walking speed. You don't need fancy powders or extreme diets. You need smart, doable choices on your plate. Stay with me because number 3 may surprise you. It supports muscles and your joints at the same time. And if you want a simple weekly plan, comment strong and I'll share a 7-day protein starter in the pinned comment. Ready? Let's rebuild. Inside your muscles is a tiny switch called the leucine trigger. Protein flips that switch and tells your body, repair now. After 60, that switch needs a clearer signal. That means each meal should include enough high-quality protein to wake up your muscle fibers. Here's something you might not expect. 2 of today's proteins, cottage cheese or milk from the dairy group, and oily fish like salmon or sardines, can hit that leucine target with relatively small portions. I'll show you which ones, how much to eat, and when to have them for steadier energy, especially at breakfast and after a short walk. As you listen, notice which food feels like your best first step today, because you'll have a plan you can use at your very next meal. A quick story. Maria, 68, told me mornings were the hardest. She felt unsteady getting out of bed, and a short walk to the mailbox felt like a hill. Breakfast was toast and coffee, almost no protein. We swapped that for a small bowl of Greek yogurt with berries and walnuts, plus a soft scrambled egg. No complicated recipes. 2 weeks later, Maria felt steadier on her feet. After a month, she walked 20 minutes without stopping. Nothing extreme, just consistent protein-forward meals. That's the power of feeding your muscles what they need. Now let's walk through the 5 proteins that helped Maria and can help you too. First, dairy proteins, cottage cheese, milk, and Greek yogurt or skyr. Cottage cheese and milk keep more whey. Greek yogurt and skyr are more casein dominant, but all are high-quality proteins. Aim for 3/4 to 1 cup of Greek yogurt or skyr, or 1/2 to 1 cup of cottage cheese. If you choose yogurt, add 1/2 cup of lactose-free milk, or if appropriate for you, a small scoop of whey to reach the 25-30 gram range. Add berries, a sprinkle of cinnamon, and a few walnuts or pumpkin seeds. Enjoy this at breakfast or right after a short walk to send your muscles a strong rebuild signal. If dairy bothers you, try lactose-free milk use, lactase drops, or lean on soy options for a similar effect. Second, eggs, whole eggs. They're a complete protein and provide choline, a nutrient that supports nerves and muscle function. 1 to 2 eggs is a practical base for many older adults. Soft scramble or poach for gentle digestion. Add tomatoes or spinach and a slice of whole grain toast for steady energy. To reach the muscle building range, pair 2 eggs with 1/2 cup of cottage cheese or a side of Greek yogurt. If you've been told to limit dietary cholesterol, follow your clinician's guidance. Many people can still include eggs in moderation as part of a balanced diet. Third, oily fish, such as salmon or sardines. Here you get high-quality protein plus omega-3 fats that support muscle function and comfortable joints, an excellent combo for walking. A 3 to 4 ounce portion works well fresh or canned. For an easy lunch place, canned salmon or sardines over leafy greens, drizzle with olive oil and lemon and add a few whole grain crackers. Flake canned fish well and choose boneless if swallowing is hard. Opt for low-sodium cans when possible. If you live with gout, enjoy smaller portions and discuss fish choices with your clinician. Sardines with bones bring extra calcium and helpful building blocks for connective tissue. With fish, you'll often land close to 25-30 grams of protein without much effort. Fourth, soy proteins like tofu or tempeh. These provide complete plant protein, ideal if you limit dairy or simply want variety. A 5 to 6 ounce serving is a strong target. If you prefer a smaller 3 to 4 ounce portion, pair it with a cup of soy milk to reach the goal. try a quick skillet tofu with garlic and ginger or crumble pre-steamed tempeh into chili or tomato sauce. Many people find firm tofu and pre-steamed tempeh easier on the stomach. Season generously. Soy takes on flavor beautifully. Fifth, beans and lentils, especially when you pair them wisely. They're affordable, satisfying, and carry the fiber that helps keep blood sugar steady for better muscle recovery and energy. Aim for 3/4 to 1 cup cooked. Enjoy a cozy lentil soup with a drizzle of olive oil or a bean and quinoa bowl with herbs and lemon. To reach 25-30 grams total. Pair your beans or lentils with half a cup of cottage cheese, 3/4 of a cup of Greek yogurt on the side, or 5 ounces of tofu mixed in. That simple pairing upgrades the protein quality and the leucine content. Timing matters. Aim for 25 to 30 grams of protein at each meal. A simple rule of thumb, a palm-sized piece of fish or other protein, or 1 cup of cottage cheese or Greek yogurt, plus a little milk or whey if needed. Start your day protein forward. A Greek yogurt bowl reinforced with a half cup of lactose-free milk. A veggie omelet with a side of cottage cheese, or cottage cheese toast with sliced tomatoes and pepper. At lunch, try sardine salad on greens, tofu stir-fry with vegetables, or lentil soup partnered with a dairy or soy side. At dinner, enjoy baked salmon with lemon, a hearty tempeh chili, or a bean quinoa pilaf enhanced with tofu. Consistency beats perfection. Even small wins add up when you repeat them day after day. Hydration helps too. Muscles work better when you're well hydrated. Sip water or unsweetened tea through the day. After a protein-rich meal, take a 10 to 15-minute walk, do a few light resistance band moves, or practice sit-to-stands from a chair. That gentle activity helps your body use the protein you just ate to rebuild stronger fibers and improves balance and confidence. Let's add a few gentle cautions. If your clinician has advised a lower protein pattern, perhaps for kidney function, use smaller portions and spread them across the day. If you're adding protein for the first time, increase gradually and notice how your body feels. If you're thinking about supplements like whey or collagen, talk with your healthcare provider so the plan fits your medical needs and medications. If you manage gout, be mindful with sardines and other higher purine fish. Smaller servings and variety can help. If sodium is a concern, choose low-sodium canned fish and rinse when possible. Here's a quick recap you can act on today. Choose 1 protein for each meal and build around it. Breakfast Greek yogurt or cottage cheese reinforced with a bit of milk plus berries and walnuts, or 2 eggs paired with cottage cheese and tomatoes. Lunch sardines on greens with whole grain crackers or 6 ounces of tofu stir-fried with colorful veggies. Dinner baked salmon with quinoa and a squeeze of lemon or a warm lentil soup with a dairy or soy side. Keep portions realistic. Keep flavors simple. Most of all, keep going. You now have 5 everyday proteins that help stop muscle loss so you can walk strong again. Dairy proteins, eggs, oily fish, soy proteins, and beans or lentils with smart pairings. If you'd like a done-for-you plan, check the description and download the free 7-day Walk Strong Protein Meal Starter. Comment protein and tell me which of the 5 you'll start with today. I'd love to cheer you on. And if you know a friend who wants steadier steps and easier stairs, share this with them. For weekly food first tips to stay strong, balanced, and independent, subscribe and turn on notifications. Your next walk can feel more confident, one smart protein-forward meal at a time.